Our Earth is only one polka dot among a million stars in the cosmos. Polka dots are a way to infinity. When we obliterate nature and our bodies with polka dots, we become part of the unity of our environment. This might sound like gibberish, but there is method to the madness. This is an art exhibition by Yayoi Kusama, a world-renowned contemporary artist known for her love of everything polka dots. She experienced visual and auditory hallucinations at a young age that made her feel like she was disappearing. Her art is inspired by these traumatic mental states, an expression of vulnerability. She covers the majority of her art in polka dots, a symbol of the interconnectivity between humans, the natural world, and the universe. I guess you could equate this to being like atoms, the very fabric of every conceivable element. The first part of the exhibition incorporates biomorphic forms, shapes that resemble living forms such as roots, tentacles, or neural pathways, pretty much as starters to the main course that is her largest ever immersive environment. You walk into the main exhibition greeted by the echoes of the song of a Manhattan suicide addict, a song about her experience dealing with depression. Right before immersing yourself in her world of polka dots, they were on everything, everywhere, all at once. As a child, Kusama would sketch pumpkins with her parents owning a seed farm. This would later be known as one of her motifs, as she considers pumpkins as a symbol of her childhood. Her art is a great reminder of how we all experience the world in different ways. If you want to bring people together, the first thing to do is encourage a recognition of how we all differ in the first place, to cultivate a kind of humility about each of our distinctive ways of seeing and believing.